Top 5 Programming Languages for 2025. As technology evolves, so do the programming languages shaping the digital landscape. Developers who stay ahead of the curve can leverage these tools to build innovative solutions and secure top-tier roles in the tech industry. Here are the programming languages expected to dominate in 2025 and why they are worth mastering. Why it's in demand. Python continues to be a favorite among developers due to its simplicity and versatility. It powers machine learning, data analysis, web development, and automation. Use cases: AI/ML frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch, web frameworks like Django and Flask, and data tools like Pandas. Trends. Python's dominance in AI and data science ensures it remains indispensable, especially with the growing focus on automation and analytics. Why it's in demand. JavaScript remains the backbone of web development, while TypeScript builds on its strengths with improved type safety and scalability. Use cases: front-end frameworks like React and Angular, back-end solutions like Node.js, and full-stack applications. Trends. With the rise of Web3, progressive web apps, and real-time applications, JavaScript and TypeScript are critical for future-ready development. Why it's in demand. Rust's emphasis on memory safety and performance makes it a go-to choice for systems programming and applications where reliability is paramount. Use cases: high-performance systems, blockchain development, and game engines. Trends. Companies like Microsoft and Meta are adopting Rust for secure and efficient software, indicating its growing influence. Why it's in demand. Designed for simplicity and performance, Go excels in building scalable, concurrent applications. Use cases: cloud-native development, microservices, and DevOps tools like Kubernetes and Docker. Trends. The expansion of cloud computing and containerized applications ensures Go's prominence in infrastructure development. Why it's in demand. Java remains a staple in enterprise applications thanks to its robustness and extensive ecosystem. Use cases: back-end development, Android apps, and large-scale enterprise systems. Trends. With ongoing updates and its role in emerging technologies like IoT and edge computing, Java remains a reliable choice for developers.